Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rob.
I'm Sierra.
And whether you've been with us since we've been in South Korea for the last year doing some fun stuff over there, or whether you were with us a little bit beforehand, before that we were at Fort Leonard Wood and we were doing some stuff on Facebook first and stuff like that, whether you've been with us all that time, you would know that we've made a habit of ourselves, for ourselves, to show you guys our new place of living. We did that in Fort Leonard Wood, we did it in South Korea with our Korean apartment, and now we're gonna do it with our new Oklahoma home. We finally bought a house. It was about $130,000, and this is basically what you can get for $130,000 in Oklahoma City, North Oklahoma City, up towards Edmond actually. And we'll take you guys to the house and let you guys see it. Let's go.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our ability.
And we're gonna go on in. Yeah, that's right. We have someone that announces what door we come in through, so that's fantastic.
Yeah.
Welcome home.
Yep.
So this is our living room. Obviously, the thing that may not be obvious, hopefully, is that we have just given it a brand new paint job. Everything in this living room is basically painted, and the walls, you can kind of see that I'm not perfect, I'm not professional whatsoever, so it's not perfect up there. The walls, the trim, we decided to go with a darker trim.
Yep.
And so this is our living room. And our kitchen. Sierra, you want to just go ahead and show us around?
Sure. So I guess I'm gonna start off with this sign right here because Rob bought it for us as a closing house present, and I really.
That's right, because realtors usually buy their clients gifts.
Yeah.
For closing, something small, just to say, hey, congratulations.
Yeah.
We were our own realtors, so we bought our own gift, and it's kind of cute.
Yeah, and it kind of goes with the whole rustic feel that we're wanting to do.
Yeah, it's kind of got that
whole
same
house.
dark color as
Yeah.
the trim that we have going on here.
Exactly. And we bought a Keurig.
Yay!
And we bought this little nifty thing that holds.
Guys, we've been using a normal
the
coffee
cups.
pot forever. We have not had a Keurig, but we're finally up to date on that, so that's fantastic.
Yes.
Has some good coffee, really good coffee. My gosh.
Yes.
All
And
right.
then we have our cabinets and appliances.
Yep, and we've started painting these cabinets, right?
Yes.
We're not done yet.
We're not done yet. We're in progress.
Although, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is kind of cool looking. I don't know about you. I like
Yeah.
this. This is kind of cool.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll paint it.
Yeah.
Yeah, our kitchen's a little bit of a mess.
A little bit. Yeah. We have our fridge that is ginormous.
Yeah, it's a big one.
That we actually got it with the house. But yeah.
It may not stay because we want to get a. So cute.
Sorry.
You're
I'm
fine.
just excited.
Yeah, you may not say because it's not counter depth and we feel like it takes up a good bit of space, but we'll see. We'll take a peek in the garage, you think?
Yeah, sure.
Cool.
And surprisingly, I mean, it surprised me, but both of our cars can fit in this garage.
Yeah, I mean, it's one of those smaller two-car garages.
Yeah.
There's just enough space for us to get in our cars, and so it really works just fine.
Yeah.
And right here we have a whole bunch of stuff that I will eventually have to remove. We'll put our lawnmower or something there.
Yeah. And then
Go ahead.
what's really cool is this little, what is this
Tool
called?
storage. It's just like a
Tool
tool
storage.
cabinet.
Yeah.
It's really well made.
Yeah. I really like it because you can just hide everything away in here, and it has a lot of space. Do you want to come show them?
Yeah, it's absolutely not organized. So sure, I'm
Really
gonna get
deep.
some critique for that, but it's not organized yet. But as soon as we get down to working on the house every single day, then we won't, it won't be as much of a mess. We have this long pole here that stretches at least 20 feet and gets us up to the high ceilings. We have some real nice vaulted ceilings, but they're just hard to reach when you're trying to change lights and such in the living room. So
Yeah.
continue with the tour.
Okay. So we got the first bathroom over here.
Yep, guest bathroom. Let's flip this light on. Now, we actually really hate this wallpaper.
Yeah.
And I've started ripping it up, and then I kind of got a little bit in trouble because they're like, hey, we haven't even shot the video yet. Don't rip the wallpaper up. So
you got excited.
I got excited. I want to rip this wallpaper up. I want to get like that agreeable gray in here. And then in here, want to flip on one of them there. It's interesting. We have a. There we go. Oh, okay.
There we go.
Down. There we go. It's a small sized bathroom. No one needs to see a toilet. Everybody knows what a toilet looks like. And this is the guest bathroom / my mom's bathroom because my mom is staying with us for a while. She's moving to Oklahoma City, and so she's hanging out with us while we all get adjusted to this new Oklahoma life.
Yeah.
Continue on.
Okie dokie. So.
And we're gonna go in my mom's room real quick, just kind of show you guys this room. Gonna run in here. This is her room. Not sure exactly where she's at, but yeah, it's a good size. It's a good size guest bedroom, and we've discussed turning it into maybe an Airbnb, whatever my mom does eventually. Get her own place.
Yeah, for sure.
We have a pretty nice little area right here. I keep stealing the show. You freaking give us the,
That's okay.
the tour.
How about let's do this? Yes.
Oh, okay. Here we have a good place for our washer and dryer, and we got a stackable one. The ones that was here was in a weird way, and we just got a stackable washer and dryer. Here is like a storage room. So it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. And here's like a storage room for now. Later it might be a nursery, depending on how long that takes. Yeah, but right now it's just a storage room. So we'll head on upstairs after showing you guys this closet maybe. Sorry, I know you're doing a cool little pan
That's
there.
Okay.
Just a closet for some linens and such. And we'll get you on upstairs.
Okay.
All right, let's go. And so this stairway is absolutely disgusting right now, but we're gonna get painted. It's gonna look a lot better than this here soon. Oh, that's right, we left the Roomba going up here, so we're gonna see a little monster pop out of somewhere here in a minute. Great gift from Sierra's parents. Was a nice Roomba as we came in. We do have 2 fireplaces, one in the bedroom, one downstairs, as you guys saw. There's our bed. We are still those weirdos who like to sleep with beds on the ground. We don't have a frame for our bed. We actually used a really nice footboard and made it our headboard, so that's kind of cool.
Yeah.
A great thing about our bedroom is obviously the size. It's a great size, but it will have a view. They're building a retirement community right over here, and so all retirement communities in the areas have looked really beautiful. I'm sure they'll plant some trees, and over the next few years it's really going to grow up and look great. And so we're going to have a good view out the back here. Right now it's just under construction, so we'll see how that goes. We got to replace the fence outside, as you can definitely see. But carrying on this way, we'll show you what we love about this upstairs master suite. Obviously the master bath. It has a jetted tub, which is really nice. It doesn't have 2 sinks, but it also has, of course, some nice tacky wallpaper, and we love that. So that'll get ripped down or painted over or something, and we'll get something nicer put up. But until then, that's what we got.
Did you want to take time to mention all the projects we got?
Yeah, so we're gonna be doing a lot of projects, and so we're thinking we'll do some project videos, maybe like a project of the week. I have to slow myself down because excuse me. I have to slow down so I can, we're gonna turn this guy off. That's how you knock out a robot right there. So we're gonna slow down to get some stuff done so we can show you guys some projects. We're gonna do like a project of the week video. I'm not a handy person, so having kind of a little bit of a fixer-upper is good for me to be able to work on some of that because I want to be more handy and capable when it comes to doing house stuff. So we're gonna do a project of the week video and a couple more of the week videos. You'll see them as they come out. But we'll go this way for now. And here is one of the biggest things we love about this bedroom, this master bedroom, is the giant walk-in closet. Like, this is only, like I said, this is a $130,000 house. It's not a huge, expensive house. It's 1,700 square feet, but it's not a massive house. But this walk-in closet is a premium, really good feel. We have enough room for all of our junk in here, like all of our seasonal coats and suitcases, and it goes back really, really, you know what, I'm just gonna go in here. Let's go. Yeah. Goes back.
It adventure.
It goes back really nice. Goes back really nice and deep in here, and so it really blows my mind what we got for $130,000. We're gonna get out of this closet. I'm getting claustrophobic.
Okay. Now I'm gonna show you my favorite thing about being back in the U.S., and that is my boy. Hi. Oh my goodness. This is my boy. And Rob's boy.
Meet the Jasper. We had told you guys plenty about him. You guys might remember him from our Hey Dog Cafe video when we were in South Korea. We couldn't have this little guy, and so we had to, you know, enjoy a little bit of quality time with some other pups. We're so happy to have our little guy back. And now you guys might be wondering what that whimpering is over here. And it's my mom's dog. This is little Jay. Hi, little Jay. Hi, little Jay. And he's just a little teacup poodle. He is so sweet and cute. But yeah, there we go. We're back in the United States. We have our boy back.
Yay.
Boom. All right, guys. So that's the kind of the house. That's the nice little tour. Hopefully, we'll add in some B-roll and maybe some drone shots around the outside of the house. But yeah, we're done with the house tour. I hope you guys like this house. Once again, we were our own realtors, and we had a lot of fun searching for a house. If you guys are first-time home buyers and you have any questions on where to look for houses or anything, you know, any questions about being a first-time home buyer, comment down below. We'd love to help you guys out. Thanks for joining in with us, guys. We can't wait to make so many more videos and do our thing here in Oklahoma City, and we can't wait to take you guys along with us. If you guys like this video for now, go ahead and toss out that thumbs up, and if you guys really liked it, what can they do?
Subscribe.
That. Bye, guys.